In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in your Kashflow account. Whether you're a small business owner or a freelancer, mastering the art of invoicing is key to maintaining smooth financial operations. Let's dive right in. First off, you need to head over to the Kashflow dashboard. You can get there by logging into your account from your browser and accessing the main dashboard. It's your central hub for managing your finances and where you'll initiate any invoicing tasks. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the login column on the right side of your screen. There, you should see a bar chart icon. Go ahead and click on that. This icon will take you to an array of options for managing your financial activities. Next, you'll want to select the option for Sales Invoices. Clicking here will bring you to the dedicated section for creating and managing all your invoices. It's your primary workspace for ensuring all your billing is accurate and up to date. Now, to start creating your new invoice, you'll need to fill out the invoice details. This includes things like your client's details and the date of the transaction. Ensure all the information is accurate, as errors here can lead to misunderstandings later on. After setting up the basics, it's time to click on Add Line Item. This function allows you to itemize your bill. You should include every service or product you're charging for, each with a clear description. Once you've added an item, you'll also be prompted to enter the rate for each service or product. Double check these numbers to ensure they reflect your agreements with the client. In some cases, you might need to add an additional line item. To do this, simply click Add Line Item again and enter the details